I recently got a smart scale. After reviewing Realme's smart scale and realizing how important it is to know about your body weight and health, I decided I should get one for myself. So I got the Mi Body Composition Scale 2. Well, that's what the Lazada listing said. It's really a beautiful scale. So here's a quick review. But before that, a sub to the channel would be great. I'm Thiru and welcome back to Random Review Squad. Now let's first talk about the design. It's a pretty sleek design and it seems like most Chinese brands have this design going for their smart scales. If you recall, Realme has a scale too and that looks exactly like this one. But nonetheless, it's still a sleek and minimal design that allows you to put the scale anywhere and still look good. It's got 4 metal circles on the top of the scale with an LED indicator to indicate the weight, and it also sports the Mi logo in the center. On the bottom we have 4 rubber legs that seem to be the main scale instrument, as it is able to move and can depress according to the weight of the object that's put above. At the center is the battery compartment for 4 AAA batteries, and this of course is given by Xiaomi themselves. And speaking of things given when you open the box, you also get a user manual, but of course no one reads that. The Mi Body Composition Scale is a 30 by 30 cm square scale. It does come in at 1.6 kg, which is really pretty heavy for a scale. But given its glass top and metal bottom, I'm not surprised. It goes from 5 kg to 150 kg in reading, but it does have a small item weighing option where you just have to step on and off to activate the scale. And it can weigh small items pretty accurately. You can switch the weight between kilograms and pounds, but I think I'll stick to the British metric system. Using it is simple. All you have to do is step on and wait for the 5 bars below the LED indicator to come on and stop blinking. Then you can step off. Since this is a body composition scale, the 5 bars are there to indicate the calculations and extra measurements taken by the scale to display the final values on the Mi Fit application. You can download the Mi Fit application from the Play Store and connect it to your smart scale. The scale does have Bluetooth 5.0, so you don't really have to worry which part of the room your phone is. In the app itself, you're allowed to select the profiles in which the weight belongs to. So if you're weighing your other family members, you can also create profiles for them and keep track of their weight. Once you've saved it to a profile, it will also reference your height and give you the necessary indications. And of course, as you can see here, after a few sleepless nights and jolly Deepawalis, I have unfortunately become obese. Don't worry, I'm gonna start running again. Tomorrow. Probably. Now, you can also take a look at the BMI, body fat percentage, water percentage, basal or basal metabolism, I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry for that, and visceral fat. You can also look at your muscle, protein, and bone mass percentages. Of course, the one that's most demoralizing is your body age. Apparently I'm 45 years old. But hey, dad bods are the new trend, right? Yeah. It also tells you your ideal weight and you can kind of make that into your goal if you're trying to increase or reduce your weight. Well, those are the main points about the body composition scale. I bought mine from Lazada for about $30 and you can get yours from there as well. Overall, I would say everyone should have one of these to keep track of their body and make sure they stay aware of their body situation. Taking care of your body now means in the future you wouldn't have to pay the price. Especially in this time of work from home and COVID, you would really want to keep in touch with your body, I would say. Also, if you have family members that need care and you want to watch their weight, this is also a great tool. I sometimes measure my own dog's weight on it too. So yeah, it's really helpful. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. It would be a great help. And let me know in the comment section below if these short versions of reviews are really good and helpful. That's about it. See you all in the next one. Bye.